Hello, MAB Elementary. This will be mental math for you lizards out there. Hope you all are having a good Monday morning. Get your paper, your pencil, and bring your math thinking brains to the lesson, and Mr. T is going to get you started. Now, we're going up a little bit in complexity here, and this is going to require some careful thinking on your part. Make sure after you hear Mr. T read the problem that you pause the video because it's going to take you a little time to figure these out. In the meantime, Mr. T will do his figuring and you guys come back and check the answer. You get it right, give yourself a check. You get it wrong, that's when you learn. Pause the video again, figure out, comparing your result to Mr. T's result, what you did wrong, and that's when you learn. So let's get some learning done. There were 3,990 Montessori schools in the United States. Of these, 2,291 are involved in an internet project. How many are not involved in the project? There are 3,990 Montessori schools in America. And there are 2,291 are involved in an internet project. How many are not? So here we go. Pause your video. 3,990. And there's 2,291 not involved in the project. And we want to know the difference between those two numbers. So I have my minuend, the big number. I take away the small number, the subtrahend, and I'm going to get the difference. Can I take one unit away from 0 units? No, but I can get some units right here. This 9 tens becomes 8, and the 10 units, take away 1 gives me 9. But now I've created a problem for myself, haven't I? Now I have to take 9 tens away from 8 tens, and I cannot do that. So I come to my next highest place value, which is the hundredths place. Take one of those 9 hundredths, leaving me 8. That makes this 18 tens, because I took that 100 and exchanged it for 10 tens, giving me 18 tens. 18 tens take away 9 tens, I can do that. That leaves me 9 tens. 8 hundredths take away 2 hundredths, leaves me 6 hundredths. 3 units in 1,000, take away 2 units in 1,000, leaves me 1 unit in thousands. And I got to have my mailbox because I went to the thousands family. So 3,990, take away 2,291 Montessori schools, leaves me 1,299 schools. Remember, for a story problem, you always got to have a word in your answer. In this case, the difference, 1,299 schools. Got it right, give yourself a check. You got it wrong, learn what you did wrong. New Jersey, the state, covers 7,836 square miles. Rhode Island covers 1,214 square miles. How many square miles do these two states cover together? Again, square miles is the geographical area of the state. New Jersey, 7,836 square miles. Rhode Island, 1,214. How big are they together in area? Pause your video, and here we go. 7,836 square miles for New Jersey, 1,214 square miles for Rhode Island. And if we want to know how much area they have in all, then we have to add it up, don't we? Notice I've put my units in line, in place value, my tens, my hundreds, and my units and thousands. So now I have 6 units and 4 units, that's 10 units. 0 in the unit place, and 10 tens has to exchange for 1 10. 10 units has to exchange for 1 10. 3 tens and 1 10 is 4, and 1 that I exchange is 5 tens. 8 hundreds and 2 hundreds, whoa, that's 10 hundreds again. So that's 0 in the 100 plates, and 10 hundreds got to be exchanged for what? For 1 unit in 1,000. 7 units in 1,000 plus 1 unit in 1,000 is 8 units in 1,000. I had 1, that's 9. And so New Jersey and Rhode Island together take up or cover or have an area of 9,050 square miles. SQMI is how you abbreviate square miles. Check your problem. Margaret has 612 animal stickers and 609 flower stickers. How many stickers does she have in all? Well, let's see what Margaret's got. Go ahead and freeze your video. She's got 612 animal stickers, 609 flower stickers. So if I want to know how many stickers she has in all, what do I have to do? I have to add it up, don't I? 2 units, 9 units, 11 units. That's 1 in the unit place. 1 10, or 10 units gets exchanged for 1 10. 1 and 1 is 2 tens. 6 and 6 is 12 hundreds. 12 hundreds. So that's 2 in the 100 place, and 10 hundredths has got to be what? You got to exchange it, don't you? Got to exchange it for 1 unit in thousands, and there's no units in thousands here, so it just comes straight down here into my sum. So Margaret has 1,221 stickers in all. Check your work. See how you did. These dates. I like to do these dates. John Adams became the second president of the United States in 1797. Followed George Washington. He was president in 1797. His son, John Quincy Adams, became the 6th president of the United States in 1824. So how many years had passed? So when you don't want to compare dates, you want to know the difference between the two dates. We've done these kind of problems before. So John was president in 1797. John Quincy was president in 1824. How much time between when father and son were president? Freeze your video and I'll do it for you. So John was president in 1797. And his son was president in 1824. If I want to know the difference between numbers, I got to do subtraction. So that means that the big number has to be the minuend, right? The minuend. So 1797 is smaller than 1824. So 1824 is the minuend, 1797 is the subtrahend. And I want to find the difference between the two, so that means I got to subtract. But I can't take 7 units from 4 units. Come on over here, take a 10, regroup it into 10 units. Regroup it in exchange means the same thing. So now I have 14 units, take away 7 units, leaves me with 7 units. Oops, now I got a problem though, because I have 1 in the 10 place, and I got 9 in the subtrahend. Can't do that. So I come over here to the hundreds, take 100, leaves me with 7. Take that 100 and regroup it into 10 tens. Now I have 11 tens. Yeah. Can I take away 9 tens? I sure can. I get 2 tens. 7 hundreds. Take away 7 hundreds. 0 hundreds. Do I need to put a 0 there? No. 1 unit 1,000. Take away 1 unit 1,000. Do I need to put a 0 there? No. So my answer is it was 27 years between the time 1824 when John Quincy, the son, was president, and his dad, John, was president in 1797. So it's a subtraction problem. Well, Lizzards, hope you enjoyed that. Mental math. Your brain's getting stronger. If any of your parents want, and you want, to complete that whole strip of story problems that I was using to get these mental math problems from, just send me an email and I'll be happy to send it on to you. So this is Mr. T. You guys have a great work week, starting off on this Monday. Oh, and happy Mother's Day to all you moms out there. Forgot to mention it on Friday. Take care.